To find the surface area of a triangular prism, we will draw a net. The lateral area is this rectangular portion. This is made up of these three rectangles added together. If I put my base on two sides, we have an isosceles triangle base, which has a base of 24 and 24, which is actually 48, so we can just write 48 here. And this side has to match up, and this side has to match up here. And you can see on the main diagram that side of the triangle is 25. So this will be 25, and this side will also be 25, because we have an isosceles triangle. So now we need to find the height between the two bases. The height between the two bases is 30, so we can put 30 right there. So if we want to start with our lateral area is just the perimeter of our base, which is 25, 25, and 48 added together, times our height of the prism, which is 30. So we can do 25 plus 48 plus 25 times the height, which is 30. This calculation will give us 98 times 30, which is 2,940 yards squared. Now we need the area of the base. The base in this case is a triangle, so base times height divided by 2 is the formula we will use. The base is 48. The height is this side right here, which on our main figure is 7. So we can do times 7 divided by 2. 48 times 7 divided by 2 is 168 yards squared. So our total surface area is going to be our lateral area, which is all of these rectangles added together, plus our two base areas added onto that. So we can substitute in the lateral area 2,940 plus 2 times the area of our base, which is 168. And when we multiply all that together, we're going to get 3,276 yards squared. And for the volume will be the area of the base times the height. The area of the base we already found is 168, so we can substitute that in, times the height, which we already know is 30. So 168 times 30 for the volume is 5,040 yards cubed. Okay, let's go on to number 5. Number 5 is a box or a rectangular prism. We can draw this separately. We have a length and a height. So we have one rectangle that will have a length and the height, which is 4 times 13. This is actually the front and the back. Okay. Then we have another side, the two sides. The side view would be 5. This would be 5, the same as this side. 5 times 13. So we have a 5 times 13. And then we have the top and bottom that we need to draw. The top and the bottom is made up of 5 by 4. So we have a 5 by 4 for the top. Now 13 times 4 is going to be the area of this front side, this front side here and the back side. And that's 52, so this area is 52. The side is going to be 13 times 5, which is 65. and the top and the bottom is going to be 20. Now since there's two, a front and a back, to get the total surface area we're going to do 2 times 52 plus 2 times, since we have two sides, 65, plus 2 times, since we have a top and a bottom, 2 times 20. That will get us our total surface area, which is 274 millimeters squared. And the volume of this figure is going to be length times width times height, which is the area of the base times the height, but we can say length times width for the area of the base. So this will be 5 times 4 times 13, which will give us 260 millimeters cubed.